Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Melon Playground and loading the scene that needs slow motion. Once loaded, tap the gear icon to open settings so you can change time behavior immediately. Make sure to disable any performance or battery saver modes. These can override time scaling and cause inconsistent results. You do this because the engine respects system limits. Disabling them ensures the game applies your custom speed. Now navigate to Physics or Time Controls to apply the first adjustment. You should locate the time scale or slow motion slider in the Settings or Debug panel, where 0 is normal speed. Once found, move it to values such as 0. 5 for mild slow motion, 0. 25 for pronounced effect or 0. 1 for dramatic slow motion. After each change, test the scene for 3 to 5 seconds to see how physics and animations respond, because different objects react differently to scaling. If something looks off, nudge the value and retest until you get the desired pacing. To finalize the effect, fine-tune physics time steps and interpolation settings so objects remain smooth at low speeds. You do this because reducing time scale can cause jitter without proper time step adjustments. For characters or animations, override their animation speed directly to keep visual fidelity. Once done, restart the scene or the app if changes fail to apply, and make sure no mods or background apps conflict with time scaling. If problems persist, reset to defaults and reapply settings step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.